Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the default editing apps in Dropbox. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. All you have to do is go to dropbox.com and enter your credentials. Now let's simply look at how to change the default editing apps. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on this account button right here at the top. Simply click on it. And from here, something like this will open up. Worry not, simply go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, initially you will be in the general tab. And right next to it, there is security, notification, and finally apps. Let's shift right over to apps. Once you are on the apps section, you can see something like this. Launched from Dropbox, view Dropbox content, scroll down furthermore, and you can see right here, default editing apps. And right here, just below it, you can see the file type, that is Word document, Excel, and PowerPoint. And right next to each of these, you can see a drop-down button. Simply click on it. It's gonna give you two options, view in dropbox.com or simply Word for the web. Likewise, you can change it for Excel and PowerPoint. Well guys, it is up to you. That's how we change the default editing apps in Dropbox. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.